Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I just want us to go through this post. I told us that there's a post that CS made that we noticed some error on that. Although we did not talk about it here on this platform simply because I wanted CS to report on it first. Do you understand? Because ndị were ekwekwasị na agwọ efu agwọ otu efu na awọli eke. That proverb I've been using it this week because what warrant me to use it is happening. Do you understand? Nobody is above mistake. Nobody is above mistake. And the only thing is that once you make mistake, please learn how to correct yourself and forge ahead. This is not to tear anybody apart or to brag about anything, but to remind you that what you do here, we talk about everything. That we don't talk about it does not mean that you are not, nobody is not seeing what you are doing. And this is one of the reasons why we choose to be on our own without having any serious attachment to anyone, so that when you see issue like this that would warrant to bring to you, we can do that, but not to do that to tear anybody apart. No, this platform is not to bring people down, but what we are doing is to encourage people to do the right thing and to avoid being deceived or being lied to. COS that everybody is on her, tearing her apart, lying about her and all that, is why we are here, to tell you that it's not true. They said that she's a Fulani woman. Oh, she's now if some of them actually believe that she have her own cow. You understand? As a Fulani woman, her name is Haramatua Abubakar. All this nonsense is people. You can only hear that from people who can never ever offer anything. In fact, they are doing that, tearing other people down because they themselves are down. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let us go through the post. Then we now hear the main bone of contention, which is the mistake that I believe somebody made it on purpose just to drag CS down. That's my own take on that. And the news says, breaking May 30th, 2025, the United States of Biafra led riots on, I think this is, okay, she says made this, okay, that is on when? On June 1st, okay, June 1st. So U.S. government, U.S. military, this military parade, okay, read on May 30th on 25 to the fallen heroes and heroes of Biafra. Biafra will continue to build its military as a legal sovereign nation, defend our land from the reintegrated terrorists of Nigerian state. Okay. USB was declared on November 29, 2024. In Lati, Finland, over 50 million Biafrans voted during the self-referendum to exit Nigeria. Over 1,500 Biafrans converted in Finland and voted to exit Nigeria. And she attached this to many people, as you can see here. But, this is the part that Charter Republic are holding on. Oh, you say that you are a sovereign nation now. Are you a sovereign nation? That's the question. Are you a sovereign nation? You said that you're a sovereign nation. Now, let me tell you what they're doing. If USB is doing woto, to the extent that it's not as if they're not doing woto, but if they're doing woto to the level that these people want, they will not tell you, oh, we are sovereign. That sovereign nation wouldn't have been an issue to them. Do you understand? It wouldn't have been an issue at all to them. They would have said, yeah, we are sovereign nation. Yes, we are. That's why we are defending our land. They would have justified that. But because they want to lay hand on something to tell you that the CS and USB government are not fighting to the level they want, they have to use something. Typical black people, they have to use anything at all to tear the person down. Not as if they have a betterment or a better person to climb up. Oh. No. But the number one agenda of these people is to bring people who are up down without them getting ready to climb that up. Typical example, DOS telling you that Simon Ekpa is a problem, signing petition, reporting him, making fun of him, cajoking him, criticizing him, calling him names and all that, just because they want to tear him apart and they want to destroy everything. They want to remove him from the picture just for them to be happy, not for them to climb and to climb to the up and do something better than PM. Do you understand what I'm saying? So let me quickly go to the issue at hand because I told you there's a video that's a mistake, right? So let us not delay anymore because I wanted to say other things, but let me just go straight to the video. Now you can see here the the match pass, right? Now you will see a logo that will pump up on this video. Let me drag it back a bit so that part will come up. You may see that. Let me drag it a bit. Now pause. Okay, now let me drag it again because I couldn't pause it properly. I want you to read what is written on this logo. Read it, right? Okay. Directorate of State, Indigenous People of Biafra. And this is a video that somebody made, one of the people I believe in this army, or somebody that is somehow sent that get hold of this video and send it to CS. Spend time to download this logo, convert it and attach it to this video just to make sure that the person creates a scene for Ogen people to use that to tear CS apart. Why pretend to be in USB? Because you cannot tell me that it's a coincidence that a video recorded and meant for USB, military parade was sent to CS and somehow mistakenly this logo of US of DOS jump into that video and and they send it to CS. CS did not pay close attention to see this logo, right? And what happened? And then I will tell you what happened because, like I said, I am not here to delay to talk about. We are not analyzing the military parade yet. Okay, I want you to understand what we are doing here. Now, she made this post, and the thing, the message that we have already gone through is this one, where I told you what she said. We have already read this out. Now, see what happened. So here is on Akparawa camp using the same. It did not. Remember, she made this post on June 1st. They quickly rushed on that video, and the only thing they're analyzing here is that logo. And I want you to pay attention, hear um, what they said here, and I'm coming to the person that made that mistake. Oh, it is obvious that it's not for CS. The only mistake that CS made here is by posting it without going through the video properly. Now listen.
For those that are not aware,
Now listen.
it's working with IPOB Nigeria, and you people did not take us serious. Now, look at it though. This is a video of Heroes Day that she posted and said this is our army. So you will see, I'm going to bring this one up. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes, yes, we can see it.
And all of you see that?
Yes.
That is
Wow.
DOS, One Nigeria, Nigeria group. So she has come out very clear to show you that. For those that are not aware, please screenshot or video this file and then take it out when you finish. You can see it. So it is now Directorate of State, IPOB. Hey, hello, Meru. So this is Orabueze. We thank God that as days are coming, and as you sleep and wake up, you see her coming to tell you pop and plain that she has nothing to do with the Afghan Defense Forces that are in the homeland. So she is now working with the Bubagu and IPOB One Nigeria. So see the video there. Imagine. Anyway, we don't want to show all this because it is very laughing. What we want to show for people to see is this beginning part where they are showing the emblem of IPOB Nigeria. So Biafrans that did not see it well, go and see it well now and understand that this woman has nothing to do with the Chief of Defense Staff of the Biafran people, General Igwe Mutuzu. They have nothing to do. They have nothing to do in the homeland. They are working with one Nigeria.
Wow.
Okay, this is from Akparawa, all right? This is from Akparawa, and I have something to say before we move forward. One thing I want you to, you can intentionally, decide to keep quiet, let him finish yapping what he's saying. The truth is that I've told you the source of these mistakes, and COS and USB government need to find out the person that's behind it. Very, very important. And if because it's a sackable offense, that's number one. That is if they want. But so now, who is talking? First thing first, you did not even show any parade from your own army, like no parade from any camp, nothing whatsoever on that brigade, nothing. That's number one. Number two, you said that this is that she's working with DOS. She's DOS. The question is, so you are looking for somebody who is working for DOS, right? Who is in Kiru? Who is in Kiru for you? Who is Nankiru is working with you, and she is in the media. Who is Helen Peters? Who is Eunice PB? Who are there honestly before the arrest of PM? Do you know them? Where they were? Can you tell us those people? Where were they when PM was here? You don't, you know, but let me not say you don't know. You do. You understand very well. Now, let me prove to you again, once again, because we have played that video before. And I don't know if the video will be audible enough, but I want you to listen to Nkiru conversation with someone that called on Adadorama program. Just hear this.
What did you know? Because you know about Obi before? Did I know about Obi before? Okay, not you. Yes. I was supporting Orabueze. That was 2 years ago. Exactly. Oh, I like it on this. I don't know. Yes. That before that, I support that. I follow about Obi before that. Before that, I support Obi. You also go yes. Okay, go for support to myself about Obi. Can you ever know the support to about Obi? Give them area. First of all, I'm not on the magazine on it, honestly. Also, I'm not becoming okay. Tell we go to the then I have this support to me. Nigeria is not working out now. I have not followed the answer. They don't do space. So now, do you believe in what Obasanjo is doing? That's just it. So, no, do you believe in what Obasanjo is doing? When will we get? No, do you believe in Biafra now? I was a student now. I want to know, do you believe in what Obasanjo is doing, or just doing because people before grown up? What do you mean? I'm asking you a question as a Biafra number. Sabu career in this struggle. Okay. I want to know where you stand. Because he not the carry the ending na he not the vision na Biafra na carry the ending of one of before. Where maro he carry the where maro and you enter the
So, in case if you miss the conversation because the audio is not all that loud, Nkiru was asked by a Biafran. They asked her, so were you supporting PM? She said that she don't even know PM before. Do I know PM? I only know Mas Namodekan. Why is it? I said, oh, you see, that's why I love you, because you are being honest, you are very truthful. Okay. Then that our brother said, so since when did you start following PM? Since what has changed? When did you start following PM? since you are obedient and dues. She said, what do you mean? Do you not believe in PM or not? She said, to be honest with you, I did not come out for PMO. I came out for okay, to support because Nigeria is not working. Are you following that? And to prove to you what I just said, let me look for, in fact, you know what? On our live broadcast, I'm going to bring it up because it will be more enjoyable, not like this. So I will bring it. You will see it and understand the chart of Nkiru before. And this man is here. Why I'm saying this is because I know many of you have actually, watched that, read that post of Nkiru. But why I'm saying that is because of this guy, Sonai Akparawa, here, who is looking for, he is busy telling you who is working with the US and who is not working with the US. But one of his media team that he always give co-host in our space, he is just migrated from US to Briggy. Do you understand? And that is okay for him. Oh. This is not to say that anybody that choose to move from a DS to support Biafra genuinely or support anybody that is that is not good is good. But can you be honest? Don't bring that the DS mentality to finish PM off, pretend that you are not an insider. That is a no-no for me because that is what the Kiro and many of them are doing right now. And so now probably no, he know that very very well, but he pretend that it doesn't matter. But the only thing that matters is when you see a logo like like this. Remember, I told you this video was not shot by COS. It was not edited by COS. They just forwarded it to her, and she used that. She just posted it. That's why I said USB government need to. They don't just. I don't want them to sweep this under carpet. They should find out who did it. If it's maybe a mistake, they should also clear that air. Although we are going to go to the reply of CS right away to Brigi Sonai Parawa and what is Nago. It was just a moment. Let me bring it for you. All right. So we're back. Let us go through the post that she has made in response to them. And today's date, when she made this post is today, being 3rd of June, 2025. And as at the time, this is 18 hours ago, as you can see here. And based on the time of recording this video, though, so I don't know what the time may be on your time. So here, COS said, for those jobless Biafrans talking about this logo that was mistakenly used by one of our greatest commanders and warriors, I say go get a job and life. Okay, so meaning that is a commander that made this kind of mistake. Okay, did you not see a Gala state? Did you not hear United States of Biafra? Did you not see them lying, lying erect at the requested by the USB government for our fallen heroes? And she said again here, because I'm coming to that anyway. Why don't you show Biafrans your own commanders and Memorial Day, your Memorial Day program? This one hit differently. Is wow. Ndị Aserebakute, genuine Biafrans are too busy. Stop disturbing us. USB has nothing to do with criminal DOS who are agents of the Nigerian terrorist state. Biafra is a continue. Biafra is a continuum. Onuku. So and and she actually put this logo boldly for them to see again. So this is the logo. And like I said, if that is the case, that the commander is one that made the mistake, that commander should also remove this logo from his position, because I don't know why that commander will have this kind of logo, knowing fully well that everything. It's not as if there's any damage on that. But don't give these people topic, because let them just be idle the way they want to be. Because we are here when some people went underground. PM did not give them job. Like PM just allowed them to remain, underground until the P2B begin to fail the election and everything. They begin to come out one by one. They told us when they're going underground, though, but coming out, they did not inform anybody. That's exactly what I want, what I expect USB to do to them. Anybody working with USB should just avoid this additional topic for people. It does. If you want to give the topic, you can give the topic like when CS when CS danced, like that is the topic they should be given, not topic of this kind of mistake. To me, it doesn't worth it. It doesn't worth it. Anyway, I'm happy that CS have actually come out to explain this thing for Biafran to understand what has happened, which is a very good sign, a very, very good sign indeed. So, and I'm not going to the comment section. Of course, Biafrans are not smiling over this, over the so-called Akparawa's attempt on trying to drag CS and USB down. For example, let's read one or two comments to prove to you what I just said. Okay, Drake is our brother, so I don't want to read comment from Drake. Why? Because he's a well-known person. Kenena is here. Kenena says, "Thank you for coming out. Even with that logo, me no get problem. My eyes is on Biafra, not on logo. Thank you." You can see that. Why I read Kenena, because Kenena is another person. I'm not supposed to read his message, his comment, because I know many of you say, "Oh, he's of course. What do you expect from him? What do you expect him to say?" Nobody, don't give them topic. You understand? It's a mistake. It has been cleared. Don't give them topic. They are just yapping nonsense. I know many people, that anybody that watched that program of Sona Akparawa, he made that program on first. I watched it few hours when he published it. In fact, I did not even notice the logo, to be honest with you. I did not. It was Sona Akparawa's video that made me to say, oh, let me check, let me check. Then when I saw that, I said, then I started looking for somebody to explain that to me from USB. But it is difficult to get hold of anybody. I won't lie. The highest abusive word you use against a beautiful lady is go and bat. Watampa. I don't know what this one is talking about. I don't know what you mean by that. Yeah. Who is a woman here and who's okay? Go and bat. Watakpan nkuna. Okay, watakpan nnuku. Watakpan nkụ ka nke Watakpa nkụ ka nke ibe ya. Okay, I see na ọ kpara ya n'ajọ ọhịa. Now I understand what you mean. Okay. Now I understand what it, because DPM is giving them, that's what this brother is saying, and it is very clear. Then somebody, I'm looking for Briggy, to be honest. I'm looking for those let us hear. Okay, USB government. Okay, let's see. Another person said, "Dear DPM, as a sincere Biafran and supporter of United States of Biafra government, I humbly request that you explain to us what the DOS logo is doing with Biafran Liberation Army on ground. As much as we support what we..." Okay, is this comment from another person, or excuse me, because I don't understand what people are. What is wrong with some of us, to be honest with you? What is this is for jobless. Okay, this is a post that CS made explaining to you about the logo. And somebody is down here telling you should explain again. Okay, maybe he wants us to make the video, right? Instead of reading the comment. Please, people should just go and relax now. This one is getting to this one. This is so it's not longer funny, please. Thank you so much, my DPM. I have been asking them to show us that command. I mean, we mean their command, because we do not see anything from them. Mad people everywhere. That's exactly what we're saying. And they keep on looking for a way. And Matpis is here. Matpis said, "Don't mind Ndiala, your excellency. They don't have anything to offer Biafran except, they don't have anything to offer Biafran except cho, which is exactly what they're doing. But it's always good to come out and debunk it. I want them to make a video on it immediately, but I said, no, let me hear. Let us see how serious because it will be official from her. And seeing this her post now gladden my heart, because that is the way to go. Explain it to people so that people will understand what is going on without having nothing negative stuff in their mind. So my people, I just want to share it with us. God bless you, and please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all the whole thing that we have discussed so far. God bless you. I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.